Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some stuff that I picked up from Brenda, and you guys know who she is. She's Zavala1354 on Instagram. You guys know that I'm always buying from her, and I think it was last week, she posted new items. She always gives like a little post when she's about to put new items up, and you guys know that I am like on it. So, of course, that's where I picked up some stuff from, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So one of the first things I picked up were a bunch of thickers. And let me show you those. So I picked up these, and these are called Caroline, and they're by American Crafts. And these are the ones that came out for Valentine's. But you guys, I can use some of these things throughout the year, because I don't think I only need to use them for Valentine's Day. So I picked up this pack. I also got the Romance by Simple Stories. And I have the paper to this, so now I have like the chipboard, which is awesome. I also got this other pack of thickers, which is called Maggie. And it's like a baby blue with like white polka dots. And then we got this. These I think are the ones to the main squeeze collection from Crepe Paper. It's called Rose. And if they're not, I apologize. I think they are though. And I want to make sure that you guys can see the stuff really good. So I got those. I got these beautiful yellow ones, which are perfect for spring. And these are called Boardwalk. And they're by American Crafts as well. Super cute. And then I got these. And these are called Celebrate. And these are like a flat, like tall gold. I like these. I don't know if they're rose gold or... I think that this is what they look like. Aren't they pretty? I love these. These are one of my favorites. And then I got these. These are Boho by American Crafts. And these are super cute as well. I love thickers. Do you guys love thickers? I can't have enough. I can't have enough. And then I got these American Crafts Fancy. And they're like little foamy ones in black. And they have a little bit of sparkle to them too. I don't know if you guys can see the sparkle. But they do have a little bit of a sparkle. So those are all the stickers that I picked up. I also picked up these American Crafts Easter stickers. How cute are these? The colors are so pretty. And then I got these, this Thickers American Crafts alphabet alignment. And I think it's just to help you like place down your thickers straight or curved. I've seen people do reviews on it, so I wanted to try it out when I saw it on her website. I was like, yep. We're going to try it now. And then I got the Doodlebug Paper Frills ribbon set. Does that not scream spring and Easter? Love it. Look how pretty. This is so cute. Like, I don't even want to open it. That's how cute it is. I also got my hands on the Main Squeeze washi tape. I didn't pick it up when I picked up the rest of the stuff of the collection. So when I saw it, grabbed it. Also got the Dear Lizzie ticket roll. Is it ticket roll? Let me see if I can bring the focus up. This is what it looks like. It's Dear Lizzie ticket roll. Ticket roll. And these are like the ones you get right here. Cute. So I got that. Oh, maybe you can see it better now because I think I fixed the focus. Look at that. So cute. And then I got these. These are sugar-coated adhesive chipboard. Look at that yellow, you guys. Oh, obsessed. And then I got a few packs of these. Let me see. I think I got 2 packs. Or maybe 3. Because these are good to like gift in Happy Mail. So I got 2 packs of the little cute clips. Little wild berries, and this one is Rainy Day. And then I got this one that's Jelly Bean felt paperclip bows. I got those. And then I picked up a bunch of stickers that she had on sale. So we got these little mason jars, and I could use them for next year. We got these little cute ones. These you can use all year long. I don't think you could only use for Valentine's Day. We got these. Got this little 108 piece flat like clear stickers. Look at that. Both sides, you guys. So many stickers. Got these cute little sweet shop stickers, little like lollipops and stuff, or cotton candy. We got these Jolie's XOs and a heart. And then Bella Boulevard ephemera pack, make your mark. This is what it looks like. These are the pieces you get. You guys know I love me my ephemera. I picked up 2 packs of the Kiss Kiss Valentine's Day, what are these? Layered stickers by Crepe Paper. 2 of those. And then, oh, we got some more stickers that I forgot to show you guys. We got more of these. Some of these. I missed out on these, so I'm glad I got them. These are the clips. So cute. And then we got the Simple Stories Crafty Girl ephemera pack. This ephemera pack, you guys, is adorable. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love the colors too. Then we got some puffy hearts from Bella Boulevard. Same thing, you can use these all year long. And then I got the Bella Boulevard Popsicles and Panda ephemera. And this is what you get in that. And then I'll save the paper pads for last, but I want to show you guys the little extras that she sent me. She sent me this really cool, like, embroidery hoop. I don't have any this shape, so that's pretty cool. She sent me some cactus little tissues. These are cute. I'm throwing these in my purse. These are adorable. She sent me a little bag filled with a bunch of different little die cuts. She sent me like a few packs of stickers. She's always so sweet. And then she sent this journal that says The Good Life. Isn't that cute? And she actually sent this journal to my wife. Isn't she sweet? She's such a sweetie pie. And then let me show you guys the paper pads that I picked up. So I got the Bella Boulevard Popsicles and Panda. And it's double-sided. Perfect for spring and summer. We got the Echo Park 6x6 paper pad in I'd Rather Be Crafting. I own the digital, but now I have the paper pad as well. I got the Fancy Pants Joy Parade. I have the ephemera to this, and I didn't have the, what do you call it? I call it like a brain fart. My mind just went blank. The paper. So I picked up the paper, and that's what that looks like. You guys, my mind, does that ever happen to you guys? Like, literally my mind just went blank. I realized that you guys didn't see it. Like, it's like a little blurry because I have my focus up. But this is the I'd Rather Be Crafting. This paper is so cute. And then this is the Pandas and Popsicles. Cute. And the last one, and the last item is this one, is Crepe Paper Wonder. I have this, I have the digital element, but I don't have the paper. And it's double-sided too? No, it's not. This is so cute. I love this pad. This collection is so cute. But yeah, you guys, that is everything that I picked up from Brenda. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Let me know if you guys picked up anything from her sale. And that's it for the video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!